Hello students, today we are moving to the fourth module for the third semester engineering students, mathematics 3. So topic is numerical solution of ordinary differential equations of first order and first degree. So numerical solutions. So here one problem is use Taylor series method to find y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 considering the terms up to the third degree given that dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square and y of 0 is equals to 1. How to solve this problem? Before moving to the problem, we have to discuss little about theory part also. This is video number 40. So what is that? Here what happens? Dy by dx it is given. Dy by dx is equals to f of xy with initial value condition. Y of x naught is equals to y naught, that is y is equals to y naught and x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So differential equation. So the problem of finding y is called initial value problem. In these numerical methods, we compute y of x. Simply we compute y of x, that is y 0.1, 0.2, any. If they ask according to that. In the neighborhood value of the x naught. And one more, the Taylor series, they are mentioning in a question. Find this by using Taylor's method. So we have the Taylor's series expansion, very important formula in this topic. What is that? Taylor series expansion at the point x naught. It is y of x. So we are finding y of x is equals to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial. Here 1 factorial is that, it is 1 only. So no need to write here. Next x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial. Y double dash x plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial. Y double dash x naught here. Next 3 factorial y triple dash x naught plus so on. So how many degree they are asked, we have to continue up to. This is up to third degree. Next one is fourth, fifth, like this. Here y dash of x naught, y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught, that denotes the value of the derivative of dy by dx. You know this. Y dash means dy by dx, d2y according to at point x naught, which can be found by making use of the data. So we are directly moving to the problem. Use the Taylor series method to find. So x is equal to this one up to the third degree given that dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square and y of 0 is equals to 1. So Taylor series expansion we have to write. Just we have seen the formula y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught y dash x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash x naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash x naught plus so on. So given data, what data they are given? X naught is equal to 0. It is given. How it is? See anywhere x naught is not there. So from here y of 0 is equal to 1. That means this is x naught. X naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to y of 0 they had mentioned and y naught is also 1. X naught is equal to 0. This is they are mentioning, that is x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 1 and y dash is equal to x square plus y square. From data they are seeing. So y dash is equal to, this is dy by dx means y dash is equal to x square plus y square. Therefore y of x is equals to, so simply inserting the values, y of 0 x naught plus x y dash x minus 0 is x into y dash and x naught is again 0 plus x minus 0 divided by 2 factorial. This is square y double dash x naught is 0 again plus x minus 0, that is x cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash, and this one is again 0. So this is equation number 1. Next we need to compute what is that, y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0. We have to find. Consider y dash is equals to x square plus y square. It is given in data. What is that? Y dash is equal to x square plus y square. That is y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is equals to 0 square plus y of 0 the whole square. 0 0 0. So here this becomes, so y naught of 0 is equals to 0 square plus this is y naught. Y of 0 is equals to how much? It is given 1. So 1 square means 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Differentiating y dash. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. We have, what is that? Y dash is equals to y double dash. Differentiate y dash, y double dash. It is 2x plus 2 into y in differentiation of this one. This one. So y double dash 2x. So what we had mentioned, this here 2x plus y double dash 2x plus 2y y dash of 0. It is 2 into x. What is the value of x? So x will insert 0l, 2 0 plus 2y. So here we have taken 0. So 2x naught, 2y naught, y naught plus y dash naught. It is equals to 2 into y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is also 1, is equals to 2 into 1 into 1, 2. So next differentiating y double dash with respect to x, we have, so y double dash differentiating, it becomes y triple dash is equals to 2 into differentiating x, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into, so uv formula here, y dash. It is y double dash constant differentiating. Next constant differentiation of y, again y dash, so it becomes y dash square. Next y triple dash of 0, how it becomes? So it is 2 plus 2 into y of 0 is 1 and y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is again 2 plus y dash square. It is 1. Y dash is 1. So it is square. 2 plus 1 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. Next substitute these values in equation 1. Where is that equation 1? So this one is equation number 1. We have y of x is equal to 1 plus x into 1. Y is equal to 1 plus x into 1 again y of 0 divided x square by 2 factorial. Next y dash of 0 is 2. Next x cube by 6. X cube by 6. Next this one is y triple dash. So y triple dash 0 is 8. This becomes 1 plus, this becomes 1 plus x divided by x, it cancels 1 plus x square, 2 get cancels, plus 4 by 3, 2 3 the 2 4 the 4 by 3 x cube. Next according to our question, what they asked, find y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. All three are they are not asking in examination. They will ask 1 at x is equal to 0.1 or this one, any one. So put x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 in the same, means here we have y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1, y of 0.1 is equal to 1. In place of x we have to write 0.1 plus in place of x again 0.1 square is there. Next in place of 0.1 cube divided this one 4 by 3. So like this. Next 0.2, next 0.3, everywhere x is there, you have to insert 0.3. So I will type here 1. What is that? First one on it. 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 the square plus 0.1 the cube. So here cube is there. Next in that only multiplied by 4 by 3. So I will use bracket here, 4 divided by 3. So bracket close, this is equals to 1.1113. This is the final answer for if they ask up to 0.1. Next for 0.2 you are going to get 1.2507. For 0.3 1.426 as an answer. I hope this problem you understood.